My fascination with cellular therapy started from my time as a medical student. I guess at that time point I was more focused on stem cell biology. It was just fascinating in my mind, the fact that you could manipulate the immune system to attack tumor sort of blew my mind.
It was actually rather a coincidence. I was working as a basic immunology researcher. I never thought of getting into the cancer field, but somehow while working on microbiome and CD8 T cells, we got into it. Our lab itself is focusing on how we can improve CAR T cell manufacturing with commensal microbial metabolites. Actually a very exciting time to be in the field because there's so many approaches that we can take, from manipulation of the cell itself, from looking at the tumor microenvironment and adapting cells engineered to that. There's so many possibilities. I'm very excited to see what will end up in the patient and what makes their life better.
I feel like there are a lot of opportunities, specifically in cellular therapy, to incorporate AI. We noted earlier there is great variability in the response rates of CAR T cell therapy. And using AI tools, I feel like we could probably personalize this treatment, find patients that would benefit from specific types of cellular therapy, and maybe integrate consolidative treatments specifically for high-risk populations.
Looking at the microbiome as part of the immune environment is very important. Also, the tumor microenvironment plays a very important role, as we see from CAR T cells not really engaging in patients as they should do. To tackle these very dynamic systems, we need to work together with different fields, different consortia, interdisciplinary, looking at standardized methods to collect samples and to analyze them. And hopefully, if we do that very well, we find a solution for these issues.
It's a very exciting time to celebrate 50 years of cellular therapy. The activities of the EBMT, starting from the meetings, but also practical points such as building the registries, generating working groups, have been transforming the field to some extent. And this is what drives research forward.
I think looking back at 50 years is quite a remarkable achievement at all. And to feel that patient stakeholders, patient associations, clinicians and preclinical researchers are working hand in hand together, which is only feasible in these kinds of societies, that is incredible. And to be here discussing with colleagues also from the clinical field, from the preclinical field, from manufacturing industry is very inspiring. I'm taking many ideas home with me.